All right. Good morning. Good morning. Oh my gosh, can you hear the birds? I don't know if anyone can hear, but I can hear there are so many birds in the garden and they are singing, they are perking, they are talking to each other. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Can you hear? I don't know if you can hear, but there are so many of them. But yes, I'm in this garden here, my garden. My garden. This is next door tree here. It's on a very tall tree here. Yes, it's very peaceful in the back garden here. And look at this apple tree here. Look at this apple tree. I'm gonna get very closer. Can you see the apples? Look at all these apples are on the tree here. I can't wait to pick some when they are ready. Make an apple crumble. Who loves apple crumble? I do. But yeah, I'm in the garden here. I have not grown anything as yet, but I will. But yeah, I'm just listening to the beautiful sounds that the birds are making in the garden. But yeah, it's beautiful. Wow, just enjoy the nature, the beautiful nature that we got. The trees are green, everything looks green. So I just love it when it's so green. You know, in the winter, everything just looks a bit gray and um, barely just brown and just dark. But this time of the year is the best time. It's the best time when you see all the flowers are coming out. The trees are a lot greener, the city fruits. Yes, it's amazing. So yeah. So yes, just enjoy the beautiful nature.